In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sprint in ClickUp. If you're new to this tool or just looking for a little guidance, stick around because we're going to break it down step by step in a simple and approachable manner. Let's begin by navigating to the More Options section, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Apps. This will open up the range of applications available for you to enhance your ClickUp experience. Now direct your attention to the search bar positioned conveniently at the top. Here you'll want to type in Sprints. Doing so will help you quickly locate the app we need. Once you see it pop up, you're just one click away. Go ahead and enable the Sprints app. This small action sets us on the path to better organizing our projects and tasks. After enabling the app, you should see a confirmation that you've successfully added the Sprints capability to your ClickUp environment. It's a straightforward process, but quite empowering in terms of boosting your productivity. Now, let's move on to creating your sprint folder. Look on the left side of your screen where you can find the team space options. There's a plus symbol next to it. Click on this symbol, and you'll be presented with several options. We're focusing on sprints, so select the sprint folder option. This is where the magic starts. Here's where you get to personalize your sprint. You can name your folder to match the project or phase it's relating to. This might seem like a small step, but it's essential for keeping everything organized. Beyond naming, there's a spot featuring time estimation. Here, you can define how long you anticipate your sprint will last. Perhaps it's a short stint of a few days, or maybe a more extended period spanning weeks. Fill this out according to your planning needs. Once these settings are finalized and you're happy with your input, press Next. If you use automation to streamline workflows, you have the option here to adjust those settings to fit your new sprint. Take a moment to ensure everything aligns with your team's processes, then hit Create. And just like that, you've successfully created a sprint in ClickUp. This sprint will now serve as a dedicated space for your specific tasks and goals, clearly organized within your project management tool. That's it. You've taken the precise steps needed to enhance your ClickUp usage by incorporating sprints into your workflow. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials on making tech work for you. I'll see you in the next one.